Hello you guys, I am Kanisha and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some laundry detergent from home, and this is my first time trying it. I have watched 1,001 videos on what to do. So some of the ingredients that you need is the borax powder, which I was already using to boost my detergent. Laundry booster super washing soda, which is different from baking soda. I got the the Zote white and pink. My favorite color pink, so y'all already know we probably doing pink. And I had got the Kirk's Castle soap, and I got this grater from Walmart to grate the soap with, to not make it as hard. A big stirring stick, 5-gallon jug with the lid. And as far as what I want to put in there, I have essential oils, but then I also have some peppermint leaves, which is for my hair growth oils, is a whole nother thing. I have the orange, peppermint, rosemary, and sandalwood essential oils. I haven't decided which oil we're going to use yet. I just want to kind of see how it flows and see how it goes. So I did get 2 5-gallon jugs, so I'm going to make enough. I'm going to make 2 big things. They say that 1 big 5-gallon lasts you a very long time. I had planned on stockpiling this year anyway, so I am excited about that because I was already on the train. But it's so many chemicals and everything that we use. You can't do that noise in the background. It's so much in everything that we use, so many chemicals that we interact with. I'm a hairstylist, so I interact with a whole lot of chemicals as well. So I just feel like it would be more healthy for my body to start making my own detergents and my own dish soap. But I'm going to do the dish soap in a different video. In this video, I'll show you guys how I do the liquid soap, and then I'll probably do a separate video showing the dry laundry detergent, the powder laundry detergent recipe that I had found. So just keep watching. Okay, you want to do the pink soap, or you want to do the little small bars of soap? The small bars. So the recipe that I followed, she did 1.5 bars of the Kirk's. You want to do the pink soap instead? Which one you want to do? We'll have to cut that one up if you want to do that one. When you do the pink one. So she wants to start with the Zote. So the Zote is 14 ounces. And it has to be cut into pieces. Well, smells like soap.
That would smell good.
It doesn't have a scent to it, I don't believe. So because the bar is so big, we're gonna have to cut it in half. So I'm just gonna take this knife.
She's killing the soap. What a waste of soap.
Okay, come on this side. Left the camera. Turn this way. You left handed, right handed, right handed. So you put it in there, and then you turn it, and you have to push it down like this with one hand.
Nothing's happening.
You gotta keep going. Oh, hold on. Let's lock this down so you don't gotta hold it down at the same time. It's not locking, y'all, but okay. I'll hold it at the top. Oh, where you go? You gotta hold the soap down. Yep.
Why is it so hard? Jesus.
It's a manual label. Keep going.
Jesus Christ. Christ.
Ella. And I tried to use the grinder that has the smaller holes. This is so satisfying.
Yeah, because you get to sit and watch Emma for
Okay, so now you can put this piece up there.
Yeah, I've seen this on YouTube. So.
So this way?
No, I don't think so. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
That fits well.
Okay, now you have to melt the soap. So I'm gonna turn the stove on low so it's not boiling, and pour the soap into the hot water. And I'm gonna use the same stir stick that I'm gonna use to actually mix everything together in the end in a 5-gallon jug. It smells so good. And I'm just adding a little bit. I guess it doesn't matter if you add all of it. I don't know, for some reason I feel like if you add a little bit at a time, it would help with this process. I don't want to waste the granule, even though I'm doing another batch. And just mix it. And I'll bring you guys closer so you can see. So it does clump back up together, which was kind of defeats the purpose of braiding it up. And breaking up the little clumps is making it easier. So I'm gonna just keep stirring this slowly around to break this up, and we'll come back and do the next step. Okay, I filled up the bucket with half of hot water, half of the bucket with hot water. And I'm gonna pour in the soap. Watch your foot, don't burn yourself. Okay, pour that mixture in. And she called for a cup of borax. And then a cup of washing fluid. So put the borax in first. Use this as a little stool. And stir. Mixture around. The borax. And I can feel like the thickness of the soap in this water. That's crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna take a cup full of the washing soda. I'm a lefty, so we're gonna do another pint of hot water. And I'll mix essential oils in that one. For the essential oils, I want to do a couple drops of orange and sandalwood in this one. And then just a few drops of sandalwood. So I did 7 of sandalwood and about 5 of the orange. And we just keep stirring to make sure everything is broken still smells really clean. It doesn't smell really strong, which this is a lot of water compared to the amount of oil I put in there. I might add a few more drops of orange. And then the next one, I'm just gonna do the infused mint as a mixture. Alrighty, so now we're gonna put the lid on there and let it sit and come back tomorrow to see how it thickened up. Okay, you guys, I actually let this sit for 2 days and it was so clumpy. I had to take my commercial mixer and mix it up. But now all the clumps are out of it. It smells so good. I'm gonna dip a mason jar into this so you guys can see what it looks like. And I'm gonna make a mess. But it's like a pinkish white in color, and I'm definitely going to use it and let you guys know what I think about the homemade laundry detergent compared to the commercial detergent. This is supposed to have way less toxins and be way better for you. Some people dilute it with hot water. I want to use it concentrated to see how I like it before I start diluting it. If I feel like it's too strong, I'll definitely dilute it. But I'll let you guys know and keep you updated. I am so excited that I got this laundry detergent made. I don't even understand. So now we're about to do the dry one, and I'm going to do it in a separate video. So definitely be on the lookout for that. See you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, put any suggestions for essential oils or another method that you would think. Also, I'm making another one with this peppermint. I've been letting it sit and ferment for a couple of days, so that's going to be a really minty detergent, and I have another bucket to that in. I'm gonna do that off camera, and yeah, see you guys next time.